What up, traders? I got my favorite trading strategy, 2 simple indicators you put on your screen for buy and sell alerts. And it's something that's changing a lot of people's trading overnight. It's so simple, it's so easy. It's my best setup I've ever used with just 2 indicators. I'm going to show you how to add it real quick in this video and show you everything you need to know to use it. So this is Dogecoin. You could have plotted the top and the bottom using these 2 indicators, and them together is the perfect trading strategy, a very simple one too. So we're going to go to the indicator tab on TradingView and just type in EMA. We're going to look for those EMA clouds, and the EMA clouds are great. They're actually called the Ripster cloud, so Ripster EMA clouds, and they're going to show up as a lot of them. We just want to put the first 2 or even just the first cloud, because that's the fastest cloud. That one gives us the best entry and exits. These slower clouds, as you see, provide good long-term support. So this is Dogecoin on the daily chart. Really want to point out these clouds. This fast one plotted the uptrend the whole time. If you were just buying the dips on the cloud, if you were holding until the cloud turned red, you would have got Dogecoin from about 6 cents all the way to the cloud turn of about 43. So major returns in Dogecoin. If you were to buy on one of the consolidation, the slower clouds, you would have got Dogecoin down here at 20 cents for a pickup, which was about a 50% move. So these middle clouds, they didn't really do much. We didn't really support at them. They help on different time frames, but right now, unfortunately, the faster cloud is the only thing we're going to use. These other ones just don't work as well. So we're just going to take these off and keep the cloud 1 and 2. So cloud 1 is this middle cloud. It's just a very tiny one. It just looks like a line, and this line gets wider as this thing moves. Larger candles, but it gets very thin on the uptrends. The big cloud we're looking at is the green one that's the thickest, and that's the second cloud. So the first cloud very thin, second cloud a little thicker. As you can see, the candlesticks on this chart are red and they're green on the uptrend, and on the downtrend they're red and they're green. You see the bottoms, it's just very, very tough to know if the bottom's actually a bottom, if it's a buyable bottom, if it's a shortable bottom. And the one thing we add to make this more known and make this strategy easier is we just change these to HEIKIN ASHI candles. And all you have to do is click the candlesticks on TradingView, HEIKIN ASHI, and then boom. I get emails every single week, people trying to sell me this one trading strategy for $4,000. You guys can get it totally free on TradingView. I'm not selling you anything. I'm not selling you courses. I do have free courses, free books, link in the bio. I got 7 days for free in my trading group, but that's not it. This is free just for you guys, and it's just a blessing and something you can use in your trading. So I know a lot of people's game have been changed just by implementing this, and I hope it changes yours as well. You can see on the daily chart, if you're just trading off the HEIKIN ASHI and the EMA cloud, you do have a turning point here, you do have a turning point here, you do have a turning point here, and you have a turning point here. So there's the point where the candlestick turns from green to red. That could be a time to take profit, because we know you just hold during the green uptrend. If it turns from green to red, you can buy on that EMA cloud support. So these red candles, they may not be the reverse. They may not continue and just be a bear trend. This could actually be consolidation and a great entry point long term. As you see right here, once these candles hit the cloud, turn green, there's a great entry. So there is one way I would use this trading strategy. If we consolidate to the cloud and the candlesticks turn green. If we consolidate past the cloud, if we're way over the cloud, candlesticks turn red, that's a great time to take profit. There's the SNL, there's Elon Musk sinking the stock like usual, or sinking the coin. And then as we hit the cloud again, we go from red to green. So this is not a great entry point. It isn't a long-term run, unfortunately. It was just short-term consolidation as Dogecoin went from 36 cents all the way up to 56. So almost 100% move if you bought the wick and sold it at that wick. And that was just not an easy tradable moment. But what we see here is the green to red change. There's your bear trend. I'll put a B. And then here is the EMA cloud turn. This is the most important place to get in and out of trends, is the EMA cloud turning colors. What we want to do is make sure we are holding and getting in on the trend, setting our stop loss, trailing stop loss until EMA cloud turns green, which is what we did right there on the daily chart. So we went back to green. The candlesticks went red to green, so that was a perfect bottom opportunity. We went over here red to green, but we did not have the EMA cloud turn green, so we would not have sold, we would not have taken profit there. We are looking for this moment right here where it goes red to green and then EMA cloud turns green a couple candles later. So if you're looking to trade this, it's pretty simple. It's a very easy strategy, and if you're looking to buy the bottom on Dogecoin, which really happened recently, this EMA cloud went green, red to green right here at 19 cents. It ran all the way up to about 28 cents, 50% return in just a coin, not an option, not a stock. You can see here the downtrend. If you are just shorting this thing and you're holding, this is very easy for profits. If you see the EMA cloud sloping down, that is the perfect time to just buy and hold puts or shorts or whatever. Once you see the candlesticks turn green, red to green, and once you see the EMA cloud turn, that is where you exit your position, maybe reverse, go in the opposite direction. You can see it's very, very obvious, guys, that this was a downtrend, and it ended here when the Dogecoin went from 16 cents all the way up to 21. So this candle was basically engulfing, and then we ripped from there. So this, I'm going to show you one more example, and I want to talk about time frames. It's a very quick video, very easy strategy, and that's all we're doing today. So again, we are trading EMA cloud turns. We are trading the color of the candles. We can get out from there. We can scale out. We are trading the moment we touch the EMA cloud. So if we consolidate, come back to it, and if we do not turn the cloud a different color, that's a great entry point long term. So I'm on the daily chart. If you want to use this trading strategy and you want to do well with it, you have to use all time frames, and it has to be cohesive. So if you're looking to buy puts, or if you're looking to buy calls, or if you're looking to go long, or if you're looking to go short, you want to make sure if you're going long or if you're buying calls, the EMA clouds are all green on the lower time frames as well as the upper time frames. So Dogecoin on the weekly, would we have bought it? Are we green on the weekly? Nope, we are still red. So this is telling me it's a short-term move. I don't know if I'd be holding this thing back up to 50 cents. On the daily chart, like we said, green cloud. So great tradable moment. That green cloud is great for profits. 4-hour chart, green cloud. Again, keep scaling down. We have 30-minute chart, green cloud. 1-hour chart, green cloud. So if we have all green clouds on all the time frames, it helps us get that move and get that continuation and validate this thing's going to keep running. So the only thing holding us back from a long-term move is the weekly EMA cloud, and that is still red. It could turn green, honestly, because we have 3 green candles. We're coming off the bottom. This could be a great reversal, great entry point. And let's just show you one more. So we got the SPY, and it should be obvious, guys, how easy it is to trade once you see this chart. Trading is not hard. If you have a great strategy, if you can see things clearly, it becomes a lot easier to take advantage of these opportunities. You can see from the COVID bottom over here, COVID, everybody freaking out. If you had this indicator right there, it's a late entry point. It's still about 20% from the bottom. Here, you get the green candle change. So that should have been your point to get back into the market, your point to start taking profit on your puts. But right about here, you should be fully in the market and just holding until that EMA cloud turns again. Have we turned red? No, we have not. On the weekly time frame, this is a buy and hold. You can see it's a great green trend. We haven't seen a better trend like this ever in history because of all the money being pumped in. So this is really, really healthy, and this has been making lots of people lots of money. So this is the weekly time frame. If you want to trade with the trends, look at the higher time frames. The monthly, we are straight up on the monthly. EMA cloud is massively green. We don't go against the market. We don't buy puts. We don't get scared to hold in this market. If you look on the 4-hour, still green EMA clouds. If you're looking on the daily, green EMA clouds. And again, just going over the last couple strategies, if this thing starts to consolidate, turns red, green, red, green, red, green, we can take profits. We can go for the reverse. Once we start breaking down the cloud, that's where we can buy puts, look for that cloud or that candlestick to change. So here's where we start taking profit on the puts, going back to calls, and then we go fully in our position when the cloud goes red to green. And you see we just run. We get a couple candles. They don't break down from the cloud, so we buy the dip. Couple candles, they don't break down from the cloud, so we buy the dip. And then we keep holding as this thing keeps running. So great strategy, very simple. It's just two things. You can use EMA clouds on TradingView. You can use HEIKIN ASHI candles. And this is a great trading strategy for literally everybody in the market. That's all I got, guys. If you guys want the free books, the free courses, 7 days for free trading with me, head to the link in the bio. And I got a playlist on all our charting, all our trading strategies right to the right of me. So check that out. It's going to be exciting to watch. Peace out. Have a great day.